This is our view for tonight. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Explore and Inspire. This is others. So here we are in end of June. Mine and my kids' summer break have started, and we are on our summer vacation. This morning we drove from Pullman to Seattle, and tonight we are staying here, and tomorrow we are flying to our vacation destination. So today, since it's really hot day, we are going to a mall and just stay there, walk around and cool down in the mall. So we are heading to the Bellevue Square Mall. I'm just staying there and eating our lunch and watch a movie maybe, and just stay cool in there. And we'll be back at the Seattle downtown and look around the town for a little bit in the evening before we go to our apartment. And I'll see you guys. This is our first day in our 2021 vacation. So first stop is at the Seattle. We drove 5 hours from Pullman to Seattle. So right now we are at Seattle Port, and we are heading to a mall. Stay tuned. We are at the floating bridge. You can see both sides. Down there, go there. It's a freeway. So there are 3 lines, and that line is for carpooling. That means 2 or more people, travelers will go carpooling, where my husband is moving the car to, and these 2 lines are for the people who are just one-person driver. And we are on 70 miles per hour speed on this highway. Hi guys, we are at the Bellevue Square Mall, and I and boys are gonna go down and go to the toy store while Daddy is picking up some food. So we are around. See, he's wandering around, and another one. Before lunch, I've been taking them for a walk. Then after that, after lunch, we'll go out and do some fun stuff in the mall. Stay tuned. Now we are at Macy's doing some clothes shopping. Looking around to see if we can buy something. And the back, my husband and Adwai. Shopping time. Hi, Parnyo.
Hi.
Appu, hi, Parnyo.
Hi.
Are you ready to see? Yeah. So I'm gonna show you the Space Needle, the tallest building, and we can go there and get the ticket, and we can go all the way up, and on the top there, this circle, there is a fancy restaurant. So you can see there is an elevator. You can see. Did you see the elevator coming down? Right here. So that's the elevator which takes you up and down, and you can go up all the way till the top and have a fancy tea party or coffee cafeteria and have a great view of the Pacific Ocean and the Seattle view, city view, and have a great time up there. I went there twice, so I'm not riding on it today, but I just brought my family here so they can have a closer look of a Space Needle.
Hello.
Right there you can see the ocean, the Pacific Ocean. I will zoom it up a little bit.
See it. I can't see. I can.
Just now a boat passed. So this is the Seattle downtown. So we are at the stop sign. We are going to their apartment, and
I see it in her phone.
from there we already had dinner from outside.
Who is this?
So we are gonna go and ready for bed.
Darn.
This is the apartment where we live. There are lots of apartments around, and we have a swimming pool right there for the residents to have, and there is a small swimming pool for the children too. So we're gonna get inside the apartment and get ready for bedtime. This is in Seattle. This is our view tonight. City view. And the downtown view right there, and the ocean view, Pacific view, the proper Seattle downtown. Right here.
Hi, Eagle. Eagle.
The sunset time at Seattle. balcony. On the other side is ocean, the street view, and right here the barbecue and lounging area for the party place. And right there is swimming pool and the beautiful building view. This is our apartment. Kichu, see, Kichu just had a shower.